Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or... Some Jamaicans are no longer waiting on record labels, TV stations, or big companies to get rich. They are using the internet. From YouTube to music streaming, from online influence to global brands. Today on CCNWORL TV News, we reveal top 10 Jamaican online millionaires. No hype, no exaggeration, just facts and smart estimates. Stay till the end because the number one spot is still the most powerful digital catalog in Jamaica. All earnings are carefully estimated from public streaming data, YouTube revenue ranges, brand deals, touring history, and business activity. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News, the home of Jamaica's digital economy, online wealth, and influence. If you love Jamaican success stories, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notification bells. Let's count down Jamaica's most successful online millionaires responsibly. Number 10, Dutty Berry. Estimated online net worth USD 900,000 to 1.5 million. Dutty Berry built his income through Facebook video monetization, TikTok creator payouts, brand promotions, event hosting. He proves that viral Jamaican comedy can become a sustainable digital career. Number 9, Anty Donna. Estimated online net worth USD 1.2 to $3 million. Her income comes from YouTube AdSense, online donations, sponsored partnerships, diaspora fundraising. She turned humanitarian work into a long-term digital platform. Number 8, Politricks Watch. Estimated online net worth USD 1.5 to 3 million. Earnings from YouTube monetization, Facebook video revenue, live stream support, political advertising. Political commentary is now one of the highest earning niches on Jamaican YouTube. Number 6, Colaz. Estimated online net worth USD 3 million to 5 million. Colaz earns from YouTube revenue, online live streams, public donations, small brand sponsorship. He is a cash flow giant in Jamaican YouTube, but not wealthier than global music stars. Number 5, Popcaan. Estimated online net worth 4 million to 5.5 million. Income sources, streaming royalties, touring, merchandise, brand partnerships. His money is steady, global, and streaming driven. Number 4, Masicka. Estimated online net worth USD 5 to 7 million. Earnings from digital music streaming, international touring, endorsements, merchandise. Masicka reflects a modern streaming era dancehall business model. Number 3, Vybz Kartel. Estimated online net worth USD 6 to 8 million. Kartel earns from massive YouTube catalog, Spotify and Apple Music royalties, international publishing, licensing of old hits. Even without touring, his music earns daily worldwide. Number 2, Shenseea. Estimated online net worth USD 8 to 10 million. Income from streaming and digital sales. Global brand endorsements, fashion partnerships, international touring. She is one of Jamaica's strongest global digital brands. And number 1, Sean Paul. Estimated online net worth USD 12 to 18 million. Earnings from billions of YouTube streams, worldwide royalties, publishing and licensing, international performance, global brand deals. His catalog still generates consistent daily income worldwide. YouTubers make fast money, but musicians make lifetime royalties. Streaming is long-term wealth. Usually depends on algorithms. These are Jamaica's top 10 online millionaires based on conservative public estimates. Once again, exact earnings are private, but this ranking reflects digital influence, streaming power, and online business impact. Comment below, who should move up this list? Who did we miss? This is CCNWORL TV News, where Jamaica's money, media, and influence meets the world.